Our hallway. This is a Sweets, by the way. This is our hallway. Them lights, just a nice mirror, a little table. We brought our cooler with us. We always do that. But this is like where you fix your drinks. They got a refrigerator in there. Just extra space. This is my suitcase and some covers I use. I slept on the couch, so no comfort. Just the light little table with the same thing in the middle. That's another little side table. This is the chair. It was not right here, but since we got a roll-in bed for free, we just roll it, put it over there instead of in the middle of the floor because my grandma got to go to the hospital and stuff like that. Then we got this table right here. This my brother's clothes and a big old TV. So excuse all that. Then this is my grandma's room. It's a whole bedroom here. They got a TV closet. Excuse us, we got stuff everywhere. And this is the bathroom. Body mirror, his and her sink with a vanity, the shower tub, and the bathroom over there. So yeah, it's really so cute. Now let me grab my wallet and key. So this is key, and I need my wallet, my little pink purse that I love dearly. So that's my, yeah, that's the right card right there. Let me put it in this big cart. So yeah, let's go. Let me turn off the lights. Okay, so we about to go downstairs to the bed. He just tried to get in. He can't get in. I don't know what this little beeper sound is, just the door, and they just act like they don't hear that. But we sitting here waiting on the food, as y'all know. And
yeah.
I want apple.
This is
Strawberry. And
that's cool.
right. Okay. Yeah, if you take my little $10. I can't change. Did I be a change back? Oh, that's crazy. Oh, that's crazy. Okay.
There you go.
Oh, that's good. Oh, oh, good. Go right down here. My side up. That is crazy. How much ice cream?
We get that too.
Touch to begin. I'm paying this for it. Regular $5. Whenever. Reis. Oh, I was so Reis again. Minute and then. Complete order.
Everything on this side.
Yeah. No, they extra small or medium. I mean, large. You pay more for a whole cup. Look at this. Crazy. Stop, Tigger. I thought they were crushed Reese pieces. Where they going? They put the M&Ms in there already?
That's kind of understand you, bro.
Get it. Wait. Where the spoon at? The spoon's down there. Grab two. We could try this for y'all. It's gonna go by real quick though, because it's not a lot. Come on, follow me. So y'all, as y'all saw, this is so tight. I never seen nothing like this, so I had to get it. I was gonna get it last night, but I ain't had no big money. Whoops. They still ain't put no paper towel in there, huh? It tastes so good. It's like a robot. But I think I got small. But I think if I get large, they'll fill a whole cup up. But basically, it's like $5. What's it, $5? $5 to get some ice cream. They got vanilla, chocolate, and maybe strawberry twirl. Then they got like 6 different toppings, but you only can get 2 toppings. I picked M&Ms and Reese's Pieces. So yeah. Y'all. Let me stop. But yeah, my grandma at the hospital. She doing chemo right now. What you doing? Close that room though. Look at that. Oops. Whoops. You about milked it already. I feel you about milked it already. And all you be is dirt. Okay, yeah, I'll show y'all my food after this because I'm ready to get off. Peace out. Y'all know I got to my favorite restaurant. Garden something. Y'all already know. Burship. I don't know. Who my fries? You can eat my fries. Something was really wrong last night. So we got here last night. My wings were literally dry. This is how they really supposed to be. And my fries was dry too. And these is real seasoned good and stuff. Something was wrong last night. Must be. Or maybe it's early in the day. I don't know. They might got different cook today. But I am mad about this little ranch. They usually give you a big old cup. Sure. And you threw that sauce away, huh? Yeah, it was on this table. What's in there? I'm gonna need something. Baby. Then this cup, $5, 3 scoops. That could at least fill this stuff up though, for real. But if you want more, you gotta pay $10 for 6 scoops. Baby, I wish I would. Would I go buy a pack of Skittles? But y'all, you pick 3 colors. They give you a scoop of green, scoop of red, a scoop of purple, as y'all see. And the thing is filled up to right here. Wait. Literally like, y'all know, it's like under the Skittles, which is very crazy. But whatever. So let's taste this. That did not taste like this very much. Baby, these burgers busting, but I ain't had a burger ever since I tried these wings. I ain't had a burger. Then this restaurant is high, y'all. But these wings like $5.99. That's regular. That's for 6 wings. And the fries is $2.99. You gotta pay separate. Then if you buy a burger, that's 10 something. Buy the fries separate, that's 2, like, I used to have pasta, pizza, tacos, nachos, but they got stuff on them that I don't eat. I'm the type of person, I hate when people go to a restaurant and fast food and be so complicated. Can you take this off? Can you do this? And you feel like I really like hate that, because if I work there, baby, that'll be the day I quit. I don't like all the extra meat. Just get it how it come, or don't get it at all. So I don't do that to people because I know that stuff I can't stand it. I ain't got time for all the extra meat. Then they still mess up your order, like, no. But y'all, I don't think we're doing anything today. But if this vlog short today, I'll just add it with tomorrow vlog or something like that. But I'll see y'all probably later on today or tomorrow or something like that. Bye. So right now I'm about to eat these bougie Skittles. I can't even see y'all. I'm so blind. This is dumb. We at the same restaurant, but I'm gonna have to record on silent because they playing music here and I'm gonna get copyrighted. So I see y'all. Y'all see. So y'all, right now we're about to be ready to go to the gym. We just left the restaurant. Y'all can see the clips are muted because they're all down here in the hotels out here. They just be playing music. Copyright music blocked. So can't do it. Oh, I'm big and fat right now. I'm full. Gotta go to the gym. Don't stop either. Go all the way to 3. Okay, let's see y'all. Ooh, that hurts. Y'all right now little pumas. They right now. Look, they playing music down here. And in the gym, the music be so freaking loud. So yeah, I did 10 minutes down on the treadmill. Now I'm about to move on to something else because baby, I need to be sitting down. Okay, thank you. Oh, you turn it off. Okay. I don't know if I can throw up or not, but ooh, oh, what's next in here? What is this? What I do? Please wipe down. Do I sit on the butt area? What I do? Wait, T, what I do? Wait. Wait, what am I supposed to do? Oh babe, I've been in the gym for 30 minutes and I'm about to die. Oh, it's hot. I can't deal. But I gotta lose this top. The water is so fancy in here. I have to just sit in this freezer. And I get the towels over here ready for good. And they cold. But y'all, this is the gym. Got a mirror, all they got a scale over here. This video, I need y'all to like, comment, subscribe to your channel. Today has been kind of a boring / long day, but I did get me an exercise in for the first time, so I'm very proud of myself. But y'all saw everything we did. That's all we did today. I'm sorry it wasn't like the first one, but this is good enough, I think, because we tried some new stuff. Okay, period. So I'm gonna need y'all to like, comment, subscribe to your channel. Also follow my social media. Will be on the screen like always. Bye, y'all.